Let me show you an easy fix for a dryer with broken legs or with no legs. If your dryer has broken legs or it has no legs and it shakes all over the place, let me show you how you could take care of it. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. You will need to get 2 metal brackets like this from your hardware store and 4 sheet metal self-tapping screws like this. Lean the dryer against the wall, making sure that it's not going to fall down. Place the bracket on the front of the dryer on the side and secure it with the 2 self-tapping screws. Install the other bracket on the other side of the dryer. If the dryer shakes like this, then you need to adjust that bracket. Loosen the screws on the bracket so the bracket could drop down. Set the dryer in place and tighten the screws. Now the dryer is steady on the floor. If you want the brackets to look better, you could paint them white. The other solution to this problem is to buy new legs for the dryer and replace them.